Why is Java so hard to learn? Learning Java can be challenging for several reasons. Firstly, Java is a statically typed language, which means you must explicitly declare variable types, adding complexity for beginners unfamiliar with programming concepts. Additionally, Java's syntax is verbose and requires a firm understanding of object-oriented programming (OOP) principles, such as classes, objects, inheritance, and polymorphism, which can be difficult for novices to grasp initially. Java's comprehensive standard library offers a wide range of functionalities, but it can be overwhelming for those trying to navigate through its extensive documentation and features. Moreover, error messages in Java can sometimes be cryptic, making debugging a daunting task for new learners. However, once these initial hurdles are overcome, Java's robustness, platform independence, and widespread use in the industry make it a rewarding language to master.